And the story in Vinton County rapidly developing as many questions are yet to be answered. 2 grandparents, 2 parents, each charged with 16 counts of child endangerment after 16 kids ages 1 through 18 were found inside their home.
10 TV's Carla Rogner was at the courthouse today and joins us live from Vinton County. Carla, what can you tell us?
Yeah, well, just as those hearings were scheduled to start at 1 o'clock this afternoon, the judge announced that all 4 Siders family members were waiving their right to that preliminary hearing. But we did get to speak with 2 of their attorneys afterwards. Take a listen.
Is she the mother of all 16 children?
That is my understanding, yes.
That was my question to Tommy Stolley. He's the attorney representing Elizabeth Siders. He says he met with prosecutors today to discuss lowering her bond. Right now, she's one of 4 facing 16 counts of child endangerment, but he says there's a chance she's a victim in this case.
At this point in time, we are still not sure, at least at my office, whether my client is a victim herself or not. I have previously stated that she does not necessarily characterize herself as a victim, but the investigation from the prosecutor's office, the investigation from my office is still ongoing.
We also got to speak with Dorian Baum, who's representing Gary Siders Sr. He says he has concerns about the 73-year-old's health and ability to stand trial. He says he cannot afford to pay any bond. He's trying to get his $300,000 bond lowered to a recognizance bond, or basically a promise to return to court without having to pay.
In nearly any case where your defendant or your client is being held in jail, you want it reduced. At this point, I've already made quite clear that I have concerns about Mr. Siders' competence, whether he is suffering from mental health issues, from diminished capacity, etc. So, to be perfectly blunt, if a person like that is sitting in jail, that is a bit of an affront to me.
Yeah, Elizabeth's attorney is also seeking to lower her bond as well. The attorneys tell me that this could get worked out through either paperwork or through a hearing here in Vinton County. As for what happens next, the attorneys are still waiting to get the evidence to review what the prosecutors have about this case. They're also waiting for a possible grand jury indictment, but there's no timeline for when that could happen. Reporting live in Vinton County, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.